Hello, welcome. Okay, today we are going to be looking at introduction to stock investing. What is investment and why do we invest? Okay, in this video we are going to be talking about stocks investment. So, why do individuals actually invest? All right, investment is sending money and errand for it to go and multiply itself. So someone may want to know, so why the individual invest? We invest to multiply our money. We are not just investing to make money, okay, but we want to multiply that same amount of money. Please take note of that. Now let's look at the types of investment we have. All right, we have the stocks, we have real estate, we have crypto, we have business, and we have bonds. When you come to stocks, stocks is also known as shares. It means to own a part of a company. For example, if you buy Tesla stock, you know Tesla, that is a US shares owned by Elon Musk, okay? It means that you own a part of that Tesla company. Now let's bring it down to Nigeria. Let's say you have MTN. We use MTN, we use Airtel. So as you use it, you also have a share in that company. So when the value of that company increases, the value of the share also do what? It increases. Now, for example, let's say you buy a share as at when it was 30 naira per share, and the next few days, in the next few months, or in the next few years, the value of that company increases. Now, the share, or let's say you even bought it at 100,000 of that shares, your money can no longer be 100,000 naira again when it increases. You will now get it at 300,000 or more. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. Is real estate. Number two is real estate. Real estate is the same thing as land. We have houses, we have properties, etc. You can buy land and sell in the future. You can buy it and leave it for 2 years. You can buy it and leave it for 5 years, 10 years. Okay, always invest in long term for more. It gives you more money. It will definitely increase because real estate gives value. All right, you can also buy houses and resell them. Remember that real estate requires huge amount of capital. Okay, so it's not something you can actually start small. So now let's look at the crypto. I'm actually a crypto trader, by the way. So you can buy coin and you keep it. Remember that crypto has rarity more than stocks. Okay, like me, I have some coins I bought that I've made money from. So I will actually drop it. If you are interested in that, you can as well pick the coin and do same. All right. So now let's look at business. You can invest in someone else's business. I know of someone that has a fish pond. You can actually go and meet someone that has fish pond. I'm just using it as an example. Talk to the person, invest with the person gives you a percentage, okay? Or you can actually start your own business and put someone there. So we have bonds. Bonds are from the government. You put in money and you get some percentage from it. Also, we have what is called ETFs. They are collection of stocks. They are collection of some, meaning like let's say 2 or 3 companies comes together to invest, to form a company. So people go there, they call it ETF. You go and invest in such companies as well. So let's go to rules of investment. Now in rules of investment, one, don't invest to make money, you invest to multiply money. Okay, so please don't, you are not advised to use your feeding money, or you should use your school fees for those who are students. Please, it's not advisable. Use your spare money. In fact, use what you can afford to lose. Number two, invest money you can afford to lose. No investment is guaranteed. You see it? That is just what I said. Use what you can easily forfeit. Something you are not using at that particular time. Okay. Number three, don't invest in what you don't understand. This is where research comes in. Always make your little research. Just get a basic knowledge of what you want to invest in. Something like we all use MTN. At least you have knowledge of MTN if you are doing well or not doing well. You can also use your bank, the bank you are investing. So that is the first place you can begin with. So number four, have an investment goal. Don't compare yourself with others. Okay. Number five, investment isn't just for the rich, it's for everyone. Also note that the stock market opens 24/7. Like every day, the stock market is open and it has time it opens. I'm going to tell you that as we keep moving forward. So everybody can invest, whether you are rich or you are poor. The little you have, just put in, it grows just like that. Okay. So let's go to the second one. Another one. Now, what is stock or shares? A stock represents a share in the ownership of a company, including a claim on the company's earning and assets, such that stakeholders are partial owners of that company. As I said earlier, so once you put your money into a stock or a shares, once you afford it, you are a part owner of that company. Okay. Now look at this. Now what are ETF? As I said earlier, there are companies that come together. It means traded firm. They come together to form a company, and you can also invest. It's very, very safe because it's not being owned by one individual, it's being owned by various individuals. All right, let's go to the next one. Now we have types of stock. We have growth stock and dividend stock. Now, growth stocks are companies that are just beginning. Okay, companies that are just coming up. That is called growth stock. They are trying to come up. They haven't like they have established a name, but they have not been there for long. Then dividend stocks are stocks that people that have been there for long. Let's say for example, Amazon is a dividend stock because they stood the test of time. So now these are the different types of stocks. We have Amazon stocks, we have Apple stocks. For those that use Apple phones, you know about that. Then we have our banks, UBA stocks, Fidelity Bank stocks, and the rest. So there are much to that. There are more stocks. These are just a few I listed. So let's see how to make money from stock market. You make money from stock market by doing what? Day trading. And doing day trading, you have to use, there's what is called fundamental analysis and there's what is called technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is like analyzing the market using things that have happened in the past, something like news, something like tweets, like on Twitter where a tweet was made about such company. Okay, then technical analysis like candlesticks or chart. This is the same thing as crypto. This can is still the same, like how to make money from stock market or crypto market. So this actually, in crypto we also have fundamental analysis and we also have technical analysis. So it implies on crypto. For those of us here that are into crypto trading, it's also the same thing. Then second, you invest in, your investment is either you are investing for long term, you are investing for medium term, or you are a long term holder. Okay, as for investment, I don't usually trade on investment. I'm not going to advise you to trade your stocks. So I only advise you should buy and hold. Like me, I buy and hold for long term. So you can buy and hold for 6 months, you can buy and hold for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. So it depends on what you actually want. So it's a choice that you just have to make. Okay, so let's move over to the next one. So these are the stock market terminologies and also crypto terminologies we use in the market. So we have bull market, we have the bear market, we have trader, we have broker, we have investor, we have dividend, we have market order, limit order, rarity, and portfolio. Now let's take a look at this. I'm going to be explaining this. Bull market, it means stock or crypto that are going up in value. Okay, that season where it's going up, where people shouting bull market, means increase, is rising, the market is rising and it's more money for you. It's also same as bear market. Bear market is the opposite side. It means stocks or crypto that are going down in value that same season is called bear market. So the market will be down. If you look at like the crypto chart candles, you're going to see red. Red means it's going down. As for the bull, you're going to be seeing a green candle moving up. All right, now let's go to trader. Traders are people that buy or sell assets at any point in time. Okay, that is trader for you. Now a broker. Now broker is like a medium man or a medium company. Okay, these are for like stocks too. It doesn't apply only to crypto. So we have brokers in crypto and we have brokers in stocks. Now let's look at the investors. Okay, investors are people that invest in an asset. Okay, those are investors for you. So we have dividends. Dividends only apply in stocks and not in cryptos. Okay, it doesn't apply in crypto at all. This involves getting commissions from your stocks. Now we also have market order. Okay, when you are buying crypto or stocks at the current price, that is market order for you. So we have remit order. When you are buying crypto or stock at the price you want, let's say the price is 30 naira and you want to reduce it to 28 naira before you buy, all you have to do is to set it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Then we have the rally. It means rally just means the price rising, the price going up. Then we also have volat volatility. Okay, so volatility is like the price moving up and down. Okay, it's not actually stable. That is volatility. Then we have portfolio. Portfolio is actually the entire crypto or stock that you have in your wallet. Like for me, I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum in my crypto, in my wallet. Then for stocks also, I have Fidelity Bank shares in my stocks, and I also have one other shares. I think I've forgotten the name. When I remember it, I'll let you know. I've forgotten the name of that stock. I think I have two there. All right, let's move over to the next one. Why does stock rise and fall? Why does stock actually rise and fall? It's rising and fall because of there is always demand and supply in the market. It's either we are buying or we are selling. Okay, you always see the candle moving up and down. I'm going to show you the chart here. I'm going to see how it looks like. Okay, so you are going to see it for yourself and I'm going to show you how to go about it. All right, now let's take a look at the chart of Amazon stock the 5 years history of Amazon stock. Okay, so if you watch from this chart, you're going to see 2014 down here. Just look down. You're going to see 2015, you're going to see 2016, you see 2017, and you see 2018. Okay, now from this 2014, if you had bought from 2014 here, this 2014, you find out that these stocks actually increased all the way from 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and the highest was in 2018. Okay, 2018 almost 450%, as you can see. So this is it for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is actually the example of Amazon charts. Now these are the do's and don'ts of investing in the stock market for beginners. Please take note of this. These are the don'ts, like what you need to do. These are the do's actually, not the don'ts. One, build a stock portfolio. If I said build a stock portfolio, as I've mentioned earlier, like you start investing as little as even 500 sef, you can invest like that, it grows. But though the limit for investing from the app is from 5,000, okay, You can start from there, small small. Then number 2, start small. Okay, little by little, gradual process, and you build up. Number 3, research before investing. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy, no much thing there. Then only invest in what is surplus. Okay. Then number 5, have an investment goal. Just tell yourself, have a goal. Once I get so amount, I'm going to put on this day, this month I will do this, next month, just like that. Invest consistently and make sure you follow that goal you kept for yourself. Make sure you follow consistency and you will never regret it. Now these are the don'ts. Okay, what you should not do when investing. All right, do not take unnecessary risk. Always do what? Take calculated risk. Number 2, don't take investment as gambling. Okay, you need to be smart, you need to be wise when investing. Number 3, don't have unrealistic expectations. Okay. Number 4, avoid psychological traps or bias. Okay. Number 5, don't over trade. For those that would trade, as I said earlier, I don't trade it, I only do cryptos. Number 6, don't make what? Emotional decisions. Alright, this all. On the next video, we're going to talk more about this. So I'm going to take you on practicals on the next video. Thanks for watching.